Hi, my name is Roxelle Richards, attorney and business mentor. If you're an established or even an aspiring or new business owner, or maybe you're actually working for somebody or a company that needs to be able to understand the certain contracts and documents you need in order to run your business, the business bundle will teach you all of these many documents that you need to be able to run and operate and manage your business the right way. This program is comprised of over 8 course lessons teaching you all about the legal aspects of business contracts, how to create your release and liability agreements, your terms of condition, your product instructions, your private policy, and then some. For me, I didn't understand what this meant. I didn't understand this meant until I actually faced a problem. But from those problems, I was able to come up with these solutions. But you don't have to, and you don't have to go it alone. Go ahead and jump into this course, and if you've got questions, it's cool because you'll have the opportunity to join our limited group that is actually private, so that you'll also be surrounded by other people in their different stages and walks of life who are all in their developmental journey. So take the course, and if you've got some questions, I'm right there. You'll also be able to download our editable template contracts so that you can make sure that you manifest these results of these contracts to perfection. I'll see you inside.